Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we are driving, following with directions, but there is no voice telling you where to turn. No sound at all. So this is one of the most common complaints, and it usually comes down to a single setting that has been accidentally toggled off or a permissions issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix Waze No Sound, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First, you wanna go ahead and check the sound settings in Waze. Open Waze and make sure you go all the way to this volume button right here. It's basically cool for the spoken directions. You can even turn it off, only alerts, less chatty, or basically change the current voice if you want to. You can put English, you can even add one. You can pick Lisa, Jane, Ben, Sarah from this type of voices, and all of these options that you have. All you have to do basically is just tap on the name and it will be picked like this. Anyway, then we can also go ahead and access the menu from here all the way through settings. So as you see here, we have voice and sound. Go to it and you will be accessing more and more informations, including the guidance volume, playing sound to phone speaker, mute with during calls, and all of this. Now check the speaker icon during navigation. If you are actively navigating and have no sound, look for the screen as I showed you. Make sure the volume button doesn't have a slash on it. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.